across the state of Alabama and you see the numbers going up at the rate they're going up, there is no way that the governor really has any confidence to release anything that hasn't already been released. And so that restaurant owner is one of tens of thousands around the state of Alabama that really do want to open up. But we're not going to be able to do that unless we do a few things differently than what we've been doing. So with that, I'll flip it to Dr. Ashow.
Yes, thank you, everyone. Mobile County Health Department thanks the community for the hard work, and obviously what we have implemented seems to be effective. At this point in time, we need to be very, very cautious about personal responsibility. And personal responsibility is 1, wearing a face covering. 2 is the 6-foot social distancing. 3 is wash your hands frequently. And 4 is clean the surfaces which you may have your hands on. One of the interesting things that I personally do is I use my own writing utensil when I sign for something, when I go to an establishment and go in and out and have to sign. I use that. And I think really, really what's important is we need to respect the health of other people. What we do as individuals, we could say, is our individual rights and our freedoms. But when that impinges upon other people's health and well-being, that's something we should really think seriously about. Personally, wearing a mask, I wear a mask for everybody I'm around in contact with, along with hopefully help protect myself. So I encourage everybody to please take this seriously. We've had a report of a 20-year-old in Chicago who has had a double lung transplant with no other underlying serious medical conditions, 20 years of age and a double lung transplant. So this COVID-19 can do serious damage to young people, and everyone needs to take it as a disease that we want to prevent. I hope nobody else has to go to the hospital in Mobile, Alabama for COVID-19, that everybody does the right things to prevent the spread. Ms. Syria.
You know, somewhere down the line, I don't know where it started, but there are certain times in the community, it appears that we think that COVID-19 is over, that it's done what it's going to do and that it's moved on. That couldn't be farther from the truth. It is not a hoax. I don't care how many times you see it on Facebook, hear it on whatever news channel you're listening to. It is not a hoax. It's real, and people are dying from it. So when you get these opportunities, when you're invited to these large gatherings, whatever they may be, whether sometimes it's a homegoing service, a funeral, sometimes it's a party, just getting together because people are tired of being apart. Somebody's got to be the one who says, no, let's not do this. We need somebody in every community and every family to be the one to stand up and say, no, we aren't there yet. Let's not. Rather than just going along to get along.